Fujifilm India launched a new analog instant camera, the Instax Square SQ6 for Rs 9,999. As a new addition to the Instax series of instant camera lineup, which allows user to enjoy on-the-spot photo printing. The camera allows shooting in 3 modes: double exposure mode, macro mode and landscape mode. The Instax SQ6 is compatible with styling square format films. The various shooting mode functions, simply stylish design and the square format printing makes the SQ6 the absolute style statement. The camera can be taken anywhere, ensuring you never miss a precious moment. The camera comes with 3 color variations: blush gold, graphite grey and pearl white, and they all looks fantastic. The Instax Square SQ6 has a variety of functions like the automatic exposure adjustment. The feature is one of them that gets activated when the shutter button is pressed. It detects the ambient brightness and adjusts to provide the optimum shutter speed and the flash intensity. Even in a dark room, subjects and the background can be shot vividly and clearly. To meet the needs of the selfie lovers, the camera comes with a selfie mode that automatically adjusts brightness and focal length to the ideal level of capturing best selfie images. The selfie shot mirror attached to the side of the lens allows the user to check the shooting range. The film developing time is approximately 90 seconds. The camera also has an electronically controlled self-timer which allows a 10-second delay, in case you don't want to proceed with the printing.